Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos like a Mexican. First, let's talk about the foundation, tortillas. Always choose fresh corn tortillas, ideally from a local tortilleria. Warm them gently on a comal or a cast iron skillet over medium heat for about 30 seconds per side. This makes them soft and pliable, preventing them from breaking. For an authentic experience, use 2 tortillas per taco. It adds a wonderful texture and ensures your delicious fillings stay put. Next, the heart of your taco, the filling. Authentic Mexican tacos feature a variety of incredible meats. Consider carne asada, marinated and grilled to perfection, or slow-cooked cochinita pibil, tender and flavorful. Al pastor, with its savory, slightly sweet notes, is another fantastic choice. Ensure your meat is cooked until incredibly tender and then chopped or shredded into small, manageable pieces, making each bite a delight. Now, let's elevate your tacos with essential salsas and toppings. A vibrant salsa is non-negotiable. A fresh salsa verde, made with tomatillos, or a smoky red salsa adds incredible depth. Finely diced white onion and fresh cilantro are classic, indispensable garnishes. Don't forget plenty of lime wedges. A squeeze of fresh lime juice brightens every single bite, cutting through the richness and tying all the flavors together beautifully. Finally, the moment of truth, assembly and enjoyment. Take your warm double tortillas and generously fill them with your delicious meat. Then, add a spoonful of your favorite salsa, a sprinkle of diced white onion, and a generous amount of fresh cilantro. Serve these masterpieces immediately while the tortillas are still warm and pliable. Offer extra lime wedges on the side, allowing everyone to customize their perfect, authentic taco experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.